Frank Lloyd Wright was one of the greatest architects of the 20th century. He's designed Fallingwater, the Guggenheim Museum, and the Roby House in Chicago. Today we're going to tour a few Frank Lloyd Wright homes and inspired homes. Our tour starts with lunch at Treetops Restaurant at Polymath Park. As we walk through the dining room, you get an idea of him bringing the outdoors in and the indoors out. Check it out. Here is some baked brie and pita points. It was creamy and not too funky. Here is a home that has clean lines and part of nature. For the main, we had filet tip salad with shaved Parmesan. The dressing was a simple balsamic mix. One of the designs that he puts in his homes is usually a forced perspective of expansion and contraction to expansion. For a third course, we had pound cake covered with blueberries and strawberries. I would have liked the pound cake to have some simple syrup soaked in. The kitchens were propped with some 40s, 50s, and 60s kitchen appliances. It felt like we were time traveling. Most early Frank Lloyd Wright homes had galley kitchens, very tiny. But to draw more people, he created larger kitchen spaces. Comment below what you think Frank Lloyd Wright's favorite dish was. Click on the upper right hand corner for the Blue Hill video. I think Frank Lloyd Wright would love to eat there. Don't forget to like and subscribe.